Hello everyone, I am Rachana HG, studied in MSc Computer Science at Mansa Gangotri. I am going to present a topic, difference and comparison between OSI and TCP IP reference model. Let us try to understand the definition, schematic diagram, comparison and difference between OSI TCP IP reference model. First, we have to discuss definition of OSI model. The OSI model stands for Open System Interconnection Model, is a conceptual framework used to describe the functions of networking system. The OSI model categorizes computing functions into a universal set of rules and requirements in order to support interoperability between different products and software. In the OSI reference model, the communication between a computing system are split into 7 different abstraction layers: physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation, and application. Here, it's a schematic diagram of OSI model. It consists of 7 layers: physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and application layer. Now we have to discuss about the definition of TCP IP model. The OSI model we just looked at is just a reference logical model. It was designed to describe the functions of communication system by dividing the communication procedure into smaller and simpler components. But when we talk about the TCP IP model, it was designed and developed by Department of Defense in 1960 and it is based on standard protocols. It stands for Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol. The TCP IP model is a conceived version of OSI model. It consists 4 layers unlike 7 layers in the OSI model. The layers are process or application layer, host to host or transport layer, internet layer, network access or link layer. Next, the schematic diagram of TCP IP. It consists of 4 layers: application layer, transport layer, internet layer, and network interface. Now we have to discuss the comparison of OSI and TCP IP reference model. Now it's time to compare both the reference model that we have learned till now. Let's start by addressing the similarities that both of these models have. Following are some similarities between OSI reference model and TCP IP reference model. Both have layered architecture. Layers provide similar functionalities. Both are protocol stack. Both are reference models. Now we have to discuss the differences between OSI and TCP IP reference model. The following are the major difference between the OSI and TCP reference model with diagrammatic comparison. TCP IP is an implementation of OSI model. OSI is a reference model. In TCP IP model around which internet is developed. In OSI, this is a theoretical model. TCP IP has only 4 layers. OSI has 7 layers. TCP IP considered more reliable. OSI considered a reference tool. TCP IP protocols are not strictly defined. OSI stricter boundaries for the protocols. TCP IP is a horizontal approach. OSI is a vertical approach. In TCP IP, combines the session and presentation layer in an application layer. In OSI has separate session and presentation layer. In TCP IP, protocols were developed first and then the model was developed. In OSI, Model was developed before the development of protocol. TCP/IP supports only connectionless communication in the network layer. In OSI supports connectionless and connection-oriented communication in the network layer. TCP/IP protocol dependent standard. OSI protocol independent standard. Next, this is a diagrammatic representation of OSI reference model and TCP/IP conceptual layers. Thank you.